guys, welcome to the video. Today I'll be doing a 1-year wear and tear on the Montaigne BB in the Empreinte leather. I'll also go over the pros and cons of this bag, and ultimately I'll explain why I decided to sell this to Fashionphile. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. So before we get started, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. So I got this bag over a year ago. I got this last September, and this is the smallest size. This also comes in the MM size and the GM size. It also comes in the monogram canvas. So I got mine in the black color. In the front you can see the deep imprint of the Louis Vuitton print. It has 2 rivets on the front which says Louis Vuitton. It also has the clochette for the keys for the bag. It has a luggage loop which keeps the handles upright. And this is what the side looks like. The zipper does go down all the way here. It's the same on the other side. And this is the back. And on the bottom it has 4 feet, which also says Louis Vuitton. So I'll be removing the loop just so we can have a better look of the inside. So this is what the interior looks like. It has the textile lining. On this side it has 2 smaller pockets. One here and one there. And it has 3 compartments. One is open on each side, and then one has the middle zipped compartment. And on the other side there is also one bigger slip pocket. As you can see here, there is a D-ring which you can use to close the bag a little bit more. So you can clip this to the other side of the bag, which makes it a little bit more secure. I choose not to do that just because I find that if you do loop it together, it will deform the bag a little bit. So the middle has a zip compartment which has 2 pull tabs. This is what the interior looks like, and this is the lock for the bag. So this is what it looks like, all open. This does not have the Empreinte leather. It's just a pebbled leather. So the base of this bag is 10 inches across, and the top of the bag is about 9 inches across. So the base in width is about 5.5 inches, and the top is about 3 inches across. From the top of the bag to about where the feet is about 8.5 inches. The handle drop is about 3.5 inches. So the strap drop is about 21 inches. For the most part, I don't really see too much wear on this bag just because I don't really wear this bag, to be honest, and I think what I would say is the biggest wear is probably on the feet. If you set this down a lot, it probably will cause it to wear down. I would say the handles are still pretty good. The glazing is still good. I would say it looks almost like the day I got it. No problems there. There are some hairline scratches on the rivets, but they aren't super noticeable. Same on this side. I think if you tend to put a lot of stuff on the side pockets, it will tend to loosen up a little bit, but I don't really use those side pockets. So one of the pros for this bag is that it is just a stunning bag. It is quite beautiful with the Empreinte leather. It's also a little bit understated. Has a second pro is that it has compartments. I love that you're able to just see your stuff within the bag. Another pro I would say is that it is a pretty low maintenance bag, and I also really like the material. It's very durable, and I also enjoy that it has feet, so that whenever you set this bag down, you're not necessarily putting it against the leather. So now let's talk about the cons. So one of the biggest cons for me with this bag is it does feel bulky when I wear it. That's why I sometimes feel like I am about to just knock things over with this bag, just because it kind of like extends out from my body a little bit too much for me. Another reason why I don't like this bag is because it does not have an adjustable strap. I have a pochette metis in the same material, and I've tried to use it for this bag, but it still doesn't feel like it sits right on my body. And I've tried to wear this with the shortest length with that strap, and even as a shoulder bag, it still feels a little too long. I think if it had a shorter strap, it would feel a little bit more comfortable, just because I do think I would prefer to wear this as a shoulder bag versus as a crossbody. So the third con for this bag is whenever I have this on the passenger seat, if you have things in here, especially if you don't have the luggage loop, your things tend to kind of fly out of the bag, and I don't really like that. It just doesn't hold my stuff in there. So with all of those cons, I find that I don't reach for this bag, even though I think it's just a beautiful, beautiful bag. And I've decided to just sell it to Fashionphile and at least get something back from this bag, and somebody might find this more useful than I did. Anyways, thank you guys for watching my video on the Montaigne BB. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.